My name is Usman. I am working in the sales of International Armored Group. The first vehicle, IAG Jaws, is a dynamic military vehicle. It's based on Toyota Land Cruiser chassis with turbocharged V8 diesel engine generating 300 horsepower and available in various engine configurations both in left and right hand drive. The Jaws is fully armored with certified B6 level ballistic material which can be upgraded to provide B7 ballistic protection with off-over add-on armor technology. The standard feature of Jaws is that the brake and suspension it's completely upgraded. Floor is offering protection against IEDs and landmines. 360-degree armored overlap at all door aperture and 3-point door locking mechanism is providing extra protection during blasts. Custom-made heavy-duty steel door hinges assures door never sag and a powerful internal climate control system. The interior of the vehicle is specially designed to provide 8 to 10 fully geared personnel seating configurations with 4-point harness seat belts. All these characteristics make this rapid response vehicle battle ready and proven. These vehicles are currently in operation in Middle East, Europe, Asia and Africa. Another armored personnel carrier, the Guardian, is based on globally supported Super Duty chassis of Ford. It can be provided in diesel and gasoline engine with up to 400 horsepower output. This vehicle is available in both low as well as high sulfur variant. It's making it deployable in the countries having low quality diesel. As we have seen here, the Guardian is constructed with B6 level of armoring. However, it can be provided with B7 and STANAG 3 level of protection. The Guardian can accommodate 10 fully geared personnel in the regular model and up to 14 in the XL variant. It can be equipped with 360-degree rotational gun turret with the military electronic devices, with the provision of gun mounts, the smoke grenade launcher, security and surveillance equipment, all and many more options. The variety of available options, level of armoring and customization make the Guardian instrumental for the border control and the combat missions. This is the 4th generation of this vehicle and we have successfully deployed more than 2,000 units worldwide. Currently, our under development project is the monocoque body of the Guardian with the fully independent suspension system, which we are expecting to unveil in early 2016. As a separate note, we are happy to announce the opening of new manufacturing facility of International Armored Group in the United Arab Emirates. This is the larger and most technologically advanced manufacturing facility capable of manufacturing 200 or more units per month. For further information, you can also visit our website www.interarmored.com. Thank you for visiting.